today's Pronto Pointer, we will show you how to add delivery notifications to yourself. So once you log in, you would click My Account and then go to Notifications. Once here, you'll see who is signed up for delivery notifications. In this particular instance, there's no one signed up. So I can add my email address, and then I can click Delivery Notifications, and that sends me an email letting me know that there is a shipment out for delivery today. And then I can sign up for next stop notifications, which means that an email will be sent when the truck is coming to you next. You're next on the route. So I click subscribe, and then you'll see the boxes marked yes for both. If I want to turn one off or both off, I can by just changing it to no and clicking save. But I want to keep those back on, so I click yes and save, and then the notification will now be sent. If you have multiple ship to locations, in this case we don't, but if we did have multiple ship to locations, these would need to be set for each ship to location. They're all independent of each other. So I hope this helps and this works great. Thank you.